this app called Kahoot. Look at the features and the uses. You see, Kahoot is a game-based learning platform that allows users to create and play interactive quizzes, surveys, and games. It's a popular tool used in educational settings such as classrooms, schools, or universities, as well as in corporate training and events. Let's look at the key features. We have interactive quizzes. You can create and play quizzes with multiple choice questions, true or false questions, and open-ended questions. So you can join, you can look at, see so many partners with it. So we have, these are the top picks. We are going for the quizzes. You're going to see these are courses that you can take. These are movies. You can see different kind of games there. So much you could learn from it. Then let's check out the library. So like look at study groups, you have courses, things you can study. Depends on what you chose. So this is where you can create your own interactive game. So you can use the Kahoot generator. So you can host games, you can, let us see, let's explore more. So you can see math games, interactive games. Like we said, we have math games here. You can see other game mode. We have study mode, practice, make it interactive, test yourself. You can also discover other apps that are also connected to education, like you said, interactive games and quizzes. Then we also have game-based learning. You see, that's the second feature. The first feature is it has interactive quiz. The second feature is game-based learning. That is, Kahoot's platform is designed mostly to make learning fun and engaging, with features like points, badges, and leaderboards. So we have, like I said, to make it interactive, game-based, make it learning. We have flashcards, we have practice. So you can see different types of games that you use to learn. You use them to learn and study. Just put in what you want, and to give it out to learn about music. So we have music quiz. So I select music quiz. You can see music quiz. You can see. So like we said, quizzes, we have games, we have so many things, aspects of it. These are the games, classic games, chill out, treasure trove. Then we have pop-up, this is multiplication, fraction. So there are many things you can do with it. Just search for it. The next one, it has multiplayer capabilities, where it allows you to play games and together in real time, either the same physical location or remotely. So it's not just only you. You can be more than one. For example, here, host a Kahoot with 3 other players, 3+ players, and the rest of them. So you can, it's not just you play with others too. So it is multiplayer capabilities. Number 4, it's also good for content creation. That's another feature. Users can create their own quizzes, their own surveys, and games using the Kahoot intuitive interface. Like I said before, you want to create your own game, you can. This is for create your first game. They call it Kahoot. You can use AI generator to create it. So you can also use a blank canvas it yourself. You want to create, you click on create. You can create anything, games, quizzes, or surveys. The next one, we have a library of public content. This is the library at the bottom here. You click on library, then you have study group, courses, study, Kahoot. So you see so many things. The reason why it seems like it's a little limited is I choose a student's account. So you can choose any. You see the options when you start registering, the different accounts you can choose. So what you're exposed to depends on the account you chose, and the purpose for which you chose it. So the next thing we have is, like I said, library of public content, number 5. That means Kahoot has a vast library of public quizzes, surveys, and games created by other users, which can be searched and played. Then it also has interaction with other tools. Kahoot integrates with popular learning management systems such as Google Classroom, Canva, and Blackboard. which is very good. Now those are the 6 major features or key features of Kahoot. Now let's look at what they are commonly used for. Now Kahoot is commonly used for classroom instructions. If you're a teacher, you can use Kahoot to create interactive lessons, quizzes and games for your students. Also for corporate training, companies use Kahoot to create engaging training sessions for employees. Let's look at it. For employees, we have courses. You can study different kind of courses. You can even use Discover to even see them. Now, like I said, this is a student account. That is why it's like this. But even then, it was a listening account. You can choose different accounts. When I chose the teacher's account earlier, I was able to access some courses and stuff so I could learn. You could learn a lot of things. A lot of things. So, as I was saying, you can see a lot, you can learn a lot. You can learn a lot of things. We have top picks, we have the academy, verified educators. You can see them: science, language, art and math. You can see general knowledge or involved in the education process. So anyway, companies can also use Kahoot to create engaging training session for employees by opening a company account instead of a student account. They also have events and conferences. You can also use Kahoot to create interactive experiences for attendees at events and conferences. Then student projects. Students can use Kahoot to create interactive projects and presentation. So overall, Kahoot is a versatile platform that makes learning fun, engaging and interactive. That is what Kahoot is all about. Those are the features and the uses. So hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.